Do you want your React website to be able to show up like this on iPhones and Android phones, like an actual progressive web app on their home screen? I'll show you how in this video. Okay.
Okay, we are back. Let me fix this thing. There we go. Sorry, so this is actually super easy. I made a script for it that automatically generates the icons that you need. So how to set it up, you need a site web manifest, like this file over here. And that basically tells your iPhone or your Android, like, hey, this website, here's some data about it, and it has icons, and you can add it to the home screen. And here is the links to the items here, or like the icons. Here you can find them, but you need those icons in PNG files, like this, this, and this. And now I'll show you the script to generate those PNG files automatically from your SVG icon. So here is the script. I'll share it in a link in the description. And this will find your SVG icon in your public folder, and then it will generate the PNG files in an icon folder and save them with the correct naming, so they are connected to the site web manifest. And it works like this. I'll see if I can delete those icons to prove it. There we go. And then once you have the script in here, you just run npm run generate and then this icons and hit enter. And there we go. The icons are generated. And then you push your changes to production, and then your website icon will show up on your home screen, or you can add it to your home screen on phones like Android and iPhone. So yeah, that's it. You can download the script below from the link. Let me know if you have any questions, and hit a like if you thought this was helpful.